Trading platforms are the digital bridges that connect your money to the global markets. Let's look at how they work. A trading platform is software that lets you research, buy and sell assets like stocks, bonds, or exchange traded funds. Most major platforms have moved to zero commission models, meaning you do not pay a fee every time you click buy. These tools provide the data and control you need to execute your strategy, from simple buy orders to complex limit trades. Platforms generally fall into two buckets: self-directed tools for active traders and robo-advisors for automated, long-term portfolio management. Costs vary widely based on the level of service and whether you are paying for human advice or just software access. Always prioritize security, reputation, and ease of use over flashy features that you may not actually need. Research your options before opening an account. Thanks for watching, and remember that investing always involves risk.